Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use that revolve command so that we can take that control point curve that we just made in the previous couple lessons and turn it into something solid, into our vase. Okay, so let's go to the right view. I'm never going to get this right. Let's go to the front view, and I'm going to revolve this purple curve of Darth Vader here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and here's what's kind of fun is we're going to need, in order to do the revolve command, we're going to need an axis, right? And so I'm just going to draw a line. And it doesn't have to be, it can be longer or shorter than this object. It can be the exact same height as the object. But what is important is I need it to be on the same construction plane. And right now it's starting to snap to other things. And I don't necessarily want that. I also want to make sure that my this line that I'm going to draw is going to be the axis, so that means it's going to be the center of the vase, right? So if I want a fat vase, I'm going to make it bigger, but I think I want to make it maybe just right about this size here, right? I think I'll make it. I think this is a good one. Or you know what? I could try and find the golden section. I could do this. I could run the distance command. So I could say that's distance is 14 by 0.22. So let me figure out what the golden section is, the width to that height. I'm going to stop and I'm going to do a little math, and then I'm going to I'll be back in a second. Hold on. Well, I did the math, and 1.168, or this is basically, it won't really work very well. So I'm going to go ahead and just randomly decide that where I want the axis. So I'm going to just grab a line. I'm going to say I want it right about, I don't want to be snapping to that, so I'm just going to disable my snaps for a second. And I just need an axis anywhere, so I'm just going to start a line, hold down shift, and then click once. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my perspective, and I'm going to find what I need here. So this is going to be my axis, and I'm going to enable that. I'm also going to disable the gumball for a second. So this is going to be my axis, and I'm going to run the revolve command on this purple guy right here. So the revolve command is either down here in the transform, or I can just type in revolve, which is typically what I do. Type in revolve, enter. So select the curve to revolve. I want to revolve that curve there, and I'm going to hit enter. Start of the revolve axis. There's the start. There's the finish. I'm going to go up here, make sure I select full circle, and hit OK. All right. And now I've got myself a pretty smooth Darth Vader vase. Okay. Now, I'm going to select this guy. I'm going to turn my gumball back on, and I'm going to move that out of the way for a second. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my bad curve. I'm going to turn that on and make it active. And I'm going to lock the purple curve and hide it. And I'm going to run that, whoops, I'm going to need that purple curve again. So let me find, double click in here, find the purple curve, hit enter, and I'm just going to hide this for a second. All right, because I needed that curve there. So I'm going to select the red curve now, and I'm going to type in revolve. And it's going to say start of the revolve axis. One is there, end is there. Select full circle and hit OK. Right. Now, I'm going to stop the video right here, and then in the next one we're going to compare these two surfaces. All right, so thanks very much. I'll see you in a second.